Holy smoke, is this ain't no joke, as I was literally about to go to bed.
Oh my word, look at that.
Wow, do we have a lot to get into here today.
Woo, 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 man. Oh man, I love it. I love it right now.
Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. My name is Christopher Belly. I'm a certified CPA accountant. I'm a fake boglehead investor. I'm author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon. And guess what? I was wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, about tattoo nutsack. Let's go look at the stock and see what happened. Bye. So apparently, old tattoo trucker sweaty putrescent shark-covered nutsack is up 12.9% in the after hours. Let's go compare that to VT. Oh my God, I'm such an idiot. VT was down today, and it's only up 0.02%. Oh God. Oh, I'm so stupid. So, before we go into the details, I want to show you the historical track record. Everybody talks about my track record, bro. Everybody talks about track records now, okay? This is Tattoo Trucker Sweaty Putrescent Nutsack over the past year, down 58%. And there's a lot of shills on YouTube, you know, like Jeremy Financial Education, that were buying this stock in the 20s, okay? It's now $7.09. Now, I don't know if you can see it over here, but there's a very tiny blip. You see it? See that little cute blip down there? Oh, it's so cute. That's the Tattooed Chef moon, ladies and gentlemen. And there's some of you clowns out there that are saying that I just started criticizing Tattoo Trucker Sweaty Putrescent Nutsack. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I've been criticizing this stock for the past year and a half, ever since Jeremy LaFufu started talking about it. So don't freaking lie to me, okay? Now, why is Tattooed Chef going through a moon? Well, we got some exciting news here, ladies and gentlemen. Tattooed Chef expands nationwide retail product distribution, okay? So apparently, they assigned an agreement with Walmart, and they're expanding some of their offerings, and they're getting those offerings into more Walmarts. Tattooed Chef will increase the brand's frozen shelf presence from 5 to 13 SKUs and expand the availability of those 13 SKUs from an average of 300 Walmarts to an average of 2,000 Walmarts. Now, I can tell you from personal experience that my Walmart here only has 2 items of Tattoo Trucker Sweaty Putrescent Nutsack. 2! It's the quinoa, and it's some kind of like liberal soy boy vegetable bowl, okay? So on the surface, this seems great for Tattooed Chef, okay? Obviously, they're getting more SKUs. Walmart's probably putting a big order in, and Tattooed Chef's going to grow their revenue by avenue, okay? There's an additional thing here. Tattooed Chef also announced the signing of a definitive agreement and simultaneous closing under which they acquired certain assets from Desert Premium Group for $10 million. And the signing of a lease agreement for an 80,000 square foot manufacturing facility at which the assets acquired currently operates. The Desert Premium Group assets include packaging and production equipment, and the lease facility greatly expands the company's manufacturing footprint. Okay, so 2 simultaneous things here. Now, here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. Does anybody dispute that Tattooed Chef has growing revenues? No. Is that a bullish sign for Tattooed Chef? Absolutely freaking not. What is my criticism of Tattooed Chef? Okay, well, there's 2 main things that I don't like about Tattooed Trucker Sweaty Nutsack. Well, I mean, there's 1,000 things I could list off. Number 1, their gross margins are freaking trash. And if they don't fix their gross margins, they will never, ever, 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 ever become profitable. That's my first major criticism. My second criticism is that they are burning cash hand over fist. And we're going to go look at their balance sheet every single quarter, and I'm going to show you how their cash balance is going down and down and down and down. And when you run out of cash, you got to raise more or you can't pay your freaking bills. And how is Tattooed Chef going to do that? Well, first they're going to go on the debt route. Okay, they just opened a credit facility, for $40 million. And when that runs out and nobody wants to lend Tattooed Trucker Sweaty Nutsack any more money, they're going to have to issue shares. And they're in trouble because their share price is so low that they would have to issue an insane amount of shares to get any amount of cash. And the stock would subsequently crash afterwards, just like what happened with Very Good Food Company. If you remember, Jeremy LaFufu was bullish on Very Good Food Company. And all you had to do was look at the statement of cash flows and see how much cash they were burning every single freaking quarter. And it was obvious they were going to have to dilute at some point. And what happened when they diluted? Oh, they diluted? What? How did this happen? The management's stupid. Of course they were going to dilute. So at least Tattooed Chef's getting into more, they're getting more SKUs in more Walmarts. And we can see they're going to be in roughly about 40% of Walmart stores will have 13 SKUs roughly. I mean, at least that's what it seems to say here. Yeah, it seems like it's pretty good. Okay. However, that's not the problem. So let's go look at the financials of old Tattoo Trucker Sweaty Putrescent Nutsack. Now, the first thing I notice is that it's got a $500 million market cap. Okay. Penny stock. I mean, it's basically almost there as the definition of a penny stock. $5 or less. I mean, but in my mind, it's already a penny stock. Okay. Revenue, whatever. Negative net income, unprofitable. Forward PE, according to analysts, 285. And price target, according to those same analysts, $9.18. Wow, that's a 10x right there, ladies and gentlemen. Now, let's go look at the balance sheet, okay? And if this isn't clear to you what's going to happen to this company, I don't know what to say to you, all right? Let's start here. This is cash and cash equivalents. On as of March 31st, 2021, they had $185 million of cash on their balance sheet. The next quarter, 140. The next quarter, 129. The next quarter, 92. The next quarter, 57. The next quarter, 27. Do you see a trend here, ladies and gentlemen? They're going to run out of cash. And it looks like they're going to do it in about 6 months or less if they continue their cash burn. And what are they going to have to do? They're going to have to borrow money, probably at exorbitant interest rates, or they're going to have to dilute. Go to stockanalysis.com, look at the quarterly cash balance, look what's happening to this company. And then they went ahead and spent $10 million. Where did that cash come from? On signing this freaking lease, okay? This company is in some serious trouble. And you can't even say, oh, maybe they'll collect some receivables and, so they'll sell more inventory and that'll generate more cash. Well, first of all, their gross margins are trash. So their inventory isn't going to convert into, it's basically a 1-for-1. Their inventory, their cost of goods sold is basically the same as their revenue because their gross margin is trash. So you look at their inventory balance, they're basically going to get that amount in cash when they sell. So you look at their total current assets. Same thing. You could, they have more receivables, strong man. Look at the current assets going down, 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 down. They are in serious freaking trouble. And I don't see any improvement in their cash flows. Look at their operating cash flow. Negative, 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 negative. And increasing, except for this one quarter. But still, they burned $23 million in one quarter. Okay? Now, by some miracle, they could pull themselves out. Great. They totally could. And look at this year-over-year revenue growth, 15%. Growth, my oath. Maybe they could pull themselves out. Okay? It's entirely possible. But why would you risk your future on a stock like this? And look at the shares outstanding. Okay? They haven't changed. This is going to quickly change. Okay? I guarantee it. If this cash burn continues, these shares outstanding, 82 million, are going to change. And there's going to be a problem. And I can tell you, they're going to have to dilute. Look at the gross margin. It's under 10. Okay, that's garbage. Look at their profit margin. -40, -23, -26, -14. This is a gamble. This is garbage. This news right here. Oh, they bought a desert, blah, 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 and Walmart. I mean, it's up 14% now. Oh, now people are buying it. People are probably watching this video. Oh, Tattooed Chef. Look at the yearly performance. This little blip right here. That's it. But this doesn't improve their gross margin. It's probably going to make it worse because now they're acquiring this freaking plant and they have to, get it up to speed. It's probably going to make their gross margin worse. And they just burned $10 million. I don't know where that came from, but somehow they got $10 million. So, Jesus freaking Christ, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Before we go on and do some comments, don't forget to check out my sponsor, Sprytac.com. Get yourself a nice pair of durable yet comfortable cargo pants for any outdoor activity. And if you use the coupon code VTMyET, VTMyET, you can get 10% off 3 items. Links in the description of this video, and there will be a pinned comment after the video is completed. Sprytac.com. Durable, comfortable cargo pants. Tested by Green Berets, Navy SEALs, EMTs for any outdoor activity. So, let me go ahead and do some comments here. What's that? Tattooed Chef is the future, bro. China's going to collapse, bro. Is it? I don't know. His throat is sore from all the bathhouse style seeing. Who, mine? Or Lafufu? Lafufu will need to 3x at minimum to break even. Exactly. If you buy in the 20s, if you bought in the 20s, good luck breaking even. You're going to be down for years or forever. Let's see. Strongman is a beast for no reason. There's always a reason. I wonder what Lafufu's average is now. I mean, I'm sure he's taken all his YouTube money because he's such a good investor that he can just lower his average with his grift money. Oh, see, my cost basis keeps going down. I'm a genius. Even though I bought it in the 20s. Strongman would beat me up in a one-on-one hoo-ha. Thank God I'm not a bully. That's right. I'm glad Tattooed Chef has not expanded to Germany yet. This stuff looks disgusting. There's nothing appealing about it. I don't know, man. I keep having to talk about this stock. I just want it to go out of business so I can hammer Jeremy for a week straight. Just savage him. Absolutely freaking savage him. And then once that's done, we never talk about Tattooed Chef again. I hate talking about this stock, but everybody expects me to talk about it because I'm Jeremy's rival. Can you really see the people who shop at Walmart eating garbage tattooed? No. And this is a good comment right here. Tattooed Chef is only sold in bussy boy neighborhoods. It's true. It's for freaking soy boys. Okay, Jeremy's in like liberal central. He's probably in a high-income area with a bunch of soy boys. Here in old Virginia. Oh, yes, I'm from Virginia. Oh, in Virginia, we ain't soy boys. Okay, we don't have that freaking garbage. Tattooed Chef's balance sheet. I've never seen a clear indication. Like sometimes it's like, oh, is this company going to go out of business? I don't know. There's no clear indication of Tattooed Chef going out of business than that steady decline of cash every single quarter. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my God. Strongman getting scared. The story's about to change and this channel will be worthless. Not even a Tattooed Chef invest. Yes, the story changed. Okay. Everything changed, bro. And like I said, Tattooed Chef can always make it, okay? There's always a slim chance it can make it. But that doesn't mean that anybody that bought that stock is a good investor. Because most of you clowns listen to Jeremy and you bought it in the 20s. And he can afford to average down because you clowns watch his channel and you sign up for his grift course where he doesn't even get the price to earnings ratio correct. And he makes obvious, simple errors on tax information that's almost common knowledge. That's how he gets his freaking money. And he can average down. Whereas you clowns can't do that. Oh, but Tesla, bro. Jeremy is a genius. Foot Locker is up 50% in a month. Did he buy Foot Locker? It seems like a lot. Thoughts on Ape? I need to do a little bit more reading on Ape, but it's probably a freaking scam. Because you got to think the CEO of AMC just is playing all those freaking clowns. He's just obviously his business is dying, and he wants to raise money however he can from clownish retail investors. And if he can hype up Ape or hype up AMC, he can issue more shares and dilute you. Oh, but it's the future, bro. Sorry, not related. Will you and Andrew, CPA, work for other CPAs or taxpayers to grow a business? If so, can y'all do a collab video? Well, I don't have my own business. I work for a firm. But if you want to partner with Andrew, I would just comment on his channel. Kevin made a video on Ape. I'll check out AMC. I need to read a little bit more about Ape. Maybe I'll go look at the filing if AMC did one. Anyway, that's it, guys. Don't forget to check out SpryTac.com. Get yourself a nice pair of durable yet comfortable cargo pants tested by Green Berets, Navy SEALs, and EMTs. For any outdoor activity, you want to go hiking? SpryTac pants. You want to go fishing? SpryTac pants. You want to go buy some tattoo trucker sweaty nutsack? Maybe not SpryTac pants, but SpryTac.com. Get 10% off. 3 items. 10% off. Not a bad deal. Coupon code VTMyET in the description of the video, and there'll be a pinned comment. Talk to you later. Cheers.